Keep the accelerator constant. Do not over rev the engine. So as you go up, there's a blind spot. You won't see anything, but as long as the car is straight, you don't have to worry about anything.
Got it.
Do not think that the car is going to roll backwards. It will not. Just keep the accelerator constant.
Okay.
Go up. Keep little left. Slow down, sir, slow down. You don't hit a wall like this.
Right. Sorry.
Keep going, keep climbing. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Slow down, slow down, slow down. See, it's the normal driving. When you see a pothole on the road or you see a stone on the road, you don't hit it with force, right?
Right. Sorry.
You go on that slowly. The same principle applies here. So you have to tackle each obstacle as slowly as possible. Just go ahead. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Wait for the wheels here. That's it. Don't stop. Listen to the four-wheel drive.
Thank you. अंदर से लिया आपने?
आ जाओ रवि, we are waiting to shoot you. Copy.
Go left, go left.
के आसमान देखो.
Move left. The left wheel goes on top, right wheel stays at the bottom. Now straighten up. Keep going up. Accelerate slowly, not too much. No, don't do anything with the steering. Keep going. Slow down. Keep going. Accelerate. Let it climb up, accelerate. Keep accelerating. Keep it constant. No. See, when the wheel is about to climb up, you lift up. I am saying constant acceleration.
Yeah, behind you, Gautam, what is the waiting for the compass?
Go back.
Give me 2 minutes, sir.
Reverse.
Yes,
No
sir.
problem, take it.
That's it. Stop.